Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to day 14 of Junk Journal July. Can't believe we are nearly at the half point of this little challenge. So let's dive in today's prompt, which is weather, and create a spread for that. First, I flipped through my journal so far and decided where I wanted to add something. And also I realized I have to add some pages if I want to keep all my spreads for Junk Journal July in this journal. So I thought for the weather prompt it would be the perfect time to add a coffee dyed paper to the journal. And here I'm flipping through my coffee dyed pages to decide which one I'm going to add. And I decided on this kind of splatter paper because I thought it would be fitting for the theme of weather. Like it had rained some coffee onto the journal, and I thought that would be fun to incorporate here. And also, yeah, like I said, it's quite rainy at the moment here, even though it's summer in July. I don't know, our weather doesn't got the memo and is thinking it's already autumn or something. So I thought a spread inspired by this kind of autumn weather and being cozy inside with journaling and a hot cup of coffee would be the perfect thing for today's prompt. So that's what I'm creating here, is a coffee inspired weather spread, because it's the perfect time for a warm beverage and to sit at home and make it yourself comfortable and cozy. How is your Junk Journal July going? I hope you all have better weather than we here, or maybe, as I said, for me it's the perfect weather to journal and spend some time in my junk journal. So I'm quite enjoying it at the moment, but some warmer days would be nice as well. So let's see. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this Junk Journal July challenge or my creative adventures in general, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, see you tomorrow and happy crafting.